안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing very well. Recently, my daughter watched a video of spicy marinated raw crabs, 양념게장, on social media, and she really wants to give it a try. Personally, I really like spicy marinated raw crabs. So, would you like to make it together? These are frozen crabs purchased from the Korean market that have already been trimmed. Melt them under running water. When you do this, the crabs that were stuck together will automatically separate as they melt. Do not soak them in water to melt, but just put them under running water. Once the crabs have separated, put them in a colander to drain off the excess water. Let's prepare the crabs. Crop the legs at the end using scissors as they don't have much meat. Also cut off the ends of the pincers. Pour about half a cup of cooking wine or mirin over the cleaned crabs. Mix well, pouring cooking wine over the crabs and leaving them in the freezer for 20 minutes will help remove any fishy smell and make the crab meat firmer. Leave them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Cut 2 scallions into appropriate sizes. Also slice the onion into suitable sizes. Thinly slice a bit of ginger. Julienne it again. The julienne ginger will be put in the seasoning sauce. And when they are marinated, they will reduce the spiciness and enhance the flavor of the crab seasoning sauce. Finely chop about 6 cloves of garlic. When garlic, ginger, and green onions are added to the seasoning sauce, they help reduce the fishy taste of the crabs. If you have a red chili pepper, slice it thinly. If you don't have one, you can skip it. I will use about half a pear. Peel the pear and grate or blend it well. Adding pear juice enhances the sweetness and adds depth to the flavor. Let's make the seasoning sauce. Put the grated pear in a bowl. Add a half cup of soy sauce. Add a half cup of red pepper flakes. Add 3 tablespoons of tuna fish sauce or fish sauce to enhance the savory taste. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add about half cup of rice syrup, 조청. Adding rice syrup provides the sweetness and glossiness. This is the rice syrup I used today. If you don't have a rice syrup, you can use corn syrup or oligosaccharide. Also add the sliced ginger. Mix well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix well. The delicious seasoning sauce is now ready. After 20 minutes, these are the crabs that were left in the freezer. Take them out and put them in the seasoning sauce. By lightly freezing the crabs before marinating them, the meat sticks well to the crab and is easier to eat. I won't use the liquid at the bottom. Add the sliced onion and scallions to the seasoned crabs. Mix well with a spoon or spatula. Finally, add the sliced red chili pepper. Transfer to a serving dish. How to store? Put the well-marinated crabs in a container. They are delicious right after making, but they taste even better if you put them in the refrigerator and let them marinate for 1 to 2 days. I recommend consuming them within a week when stored in the refrigerator at the temperature just before freezing. How to eat? You can eat it with rice. Alternatively, you can frost the crab to extract the meat. Place the crab meat on top of the rice and sprinkle some of the sauce from the seasoning over it. It tastes delicious when mixed well or wrapped in a seaweed. How was today's recipe? The mildness of raw crab and the seasoning blend really make it delicious. If you have a chance, hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.